Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a custom size on Canva in 2026. It's really simple. And yeah, it gives you full control over your design dimensions. First, log into your Canva account. Just enter your email and password like usual. Once you're in, we're ready to start creating custom sizes. Now, on the Canva homepage, look for the Create a Design button at the top right corner. Click it, and you'll see an option for custom size. Here's the fun part. Enter the width and height for your design. You can choose pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters, depending on your project. Just type in the numbers you want. Once your dimensions are set, click Create New Design, and Canva will open a blank canvas in your exact size. You can now add elements, text, images, or anything you like. Totally flexible. If you want, you can save this custom size for later by clicking File, and then Save as Template. This is handy if you frequently need the same dimensions. And that's it. You now know how to create a custom size on Canva in 2026. It's simple, quick, and perfect for all your design projects. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Canva tips.